Oh,
and that I saw at a gun show here in Pierre. And the battle rifle of the Rooftop Koreans
didn't
is
they
once again.
just have an auction on one of them that like all original went pretty crazy?
Yeah. And so the battle rifle of the Rooftop Koreans, they're making the Daewoo K-II again here in America. That rifle is coming back to the U.S. And that is a long stroke gas piston operated rifle. It's going to feed from AR MIGs, and like, I'm here for it, guys. Like it's another option. Like it's AR adjacent, but I'm just excited about it because Rooftop Koreans.